Hi everyone, my name is Jonathan. I'm a senior here at App State. My major is public health, and I am from Rockingham, North Carolina. It's a super small town. Sure, none of you have ever heard of it. Whenever I graduate, I plan to go to optometry school, so I want to be an eye doctor. Um, and I think, yeah, so my backup plan for that, if I don't get into optometry school, I guess I don't really have one, honestly, but with the public health major, it's pretty broad, so you could really find a job in a lot of different areas. But I had an internship over the summer here at the health department in Watauga County, and I really enjoyed that. So I guess I could try to get on at this health department or a different one, working in some area there. But yeah, I don't really have a set backup plan. Something I hope to learn from this class, I'm really interested in foodborne illness or illnesses, so I really hope that we talk about that. Um, yeah, I know it's kind of broad, but I'm interested in foodborne illness. And then something interesting about me, I have a pet rabbit, and her name is Pancake, and she's a hollow mop, and she's super cute. Thanks.